Take a look up. Yes, you are sitting in your house now. Just look up towards the ceiling, towards the POP. Look up. Look closely. Can you see those cobwebs around? Can you see them? Little cobwebs all around, because it's high up there. When last did you cobweb your house? When last? Don't you know it is good to cobweb every so often? It is very good. Stand up now. Go and start cobwebbing your house, please. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to break this table that we're all sitting on. The issue of cobwebs in homes. I just had to come on here and share this life hack with you all. Now, if you want to learn how to cobweb your home, because that is the essence of today's video, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. To begin with, what is a cobweb? To begin with, what is a cobweb? That is this thing right here. What is it? The Merriam-Webster dictionary defines a cobweb as a network spread by a spider web. Tangles of the silken threads of a spider web, usually covered with accumulated dirt and dust. Now, another definition of cobweb is a tangled, often dusty structure of spider silk, typically found in abandoned or infrequently cleaned places. That is another definition. And then Wikipedia defined cobweb as a spider web, and they said this is a structure created by a spider out of proteinaceous spider silk extruded from its spinnerets, generally meant to catch its prey. Now, more often than not, we are used to cleaning our homes. You sweep, you mop, you do all of those good things. But most of us, like I personally, the house I live in has like really high roofs, so high, really high roofs that sometimes, I have a white, majority of the house has a white paint, but sometimes you look up and more often than not, you don't have your head up, like looking up and seeing, because this table I am on it. I am on it. This table I want to break, I am on it. And then, those webs with time, they start growing and expanding and growing. It's not like they take over the whole house, but you just see them in like the edges, the corners of the room. It may be the sitting room, the living room, sometimes even especially POP. It's so quick and so easy to appear on POPs. Even the bathrooms, you see them, they start growing and spreading down. My younger sister, who's an accountant, I miss her so much. Before she got married a couple of years back, whenever she comes to me, she's a cobweb extinguisher. Like, whenever she comes to my house, then the first thing, once she's entering her, she's just doing like this, looking everywhere. And then, sometimes you just see her that day, she will just wake up, she will cobweb everywhere. And when you come, you feel it. You feel the difference. Even your windows, those of us who use casement windows, sometimes you want to open the windows, you are seeing webs in between the windows. You have to take out time to cobweb your homes, at the very least, that you are lazy like me. I'm not lazy in Jesus' name. That you are like, you don't have as much time, or maybe have help, like domestic help, or third party help that comes in, and you for a sum or whatever. I used to have with the economy now. You can choose twice a year, that's every 6 months, to do this. First and foremost, you need to get this brush, this particular one right here that has this top. They also have another one that has like a circular head to it, but that one doesn't last long because I have tried it. But you see this particular one, it's called a cobweb brush. You need it. Please get it. That is the very first tool. Gone are those days of using your local broom to cobweb the house and do all of that. This one, you can extend it, and while standing, after extending it, it can get to that height that you want it to get to. And so you take out the time, you take out one day, cobweb the whole house. Just take out your time, cobweb your verandas, most especially the rooms, the toilets, the passageway, you open your windows. If you are living on the ground floor, the back of the windows, just cobweb. You will notice the difference. It just shows how clean a person is, because sometimes these are things that we easily overlook. Like, you can mop your house 5 times a day because it's ground, you are looking down, you are seeing things, but you see that up, you are not always looking. This tool is what you need to start that cobweb process. You just get it, like I said earlier, extend it out, pick out a day, and you go around your house and cobweb your verandas, your back veranda, your front veranda. You cobweb, remove the cobweb. You can have your normal local broom, because sometimes it's easy for the cobweb to like saturate the brush. You take it outside, you sweep it out of the brush, just dust it out of the brush, and then you continue. Look, before you put in 4-5 hours, you are done with that, and that can carry for like another 6 months. I just came on here because I recently had to do that in my house. I looked up one day and I was like, whoa, what is this? And so I took out the time that day to do it, and I noticed a huge difference. And I thought, okay, let me come on here and share. This is a life hack. Some people don't know that this brush is used for cobwebbing. Some people still use brooms. Please look into cobwebbing your homes today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end. And until I come your way again, remember blessed. Bye guys.